told you I came in here one morning. We'd already been here about 6 months, and there was a woman around here looking very lost. And I said, "You all right? I'm trying to find room." What gave me a number? And I said, "Oh, well, I think that's along this way." "Yeah, look, hang on, right." And we got all the way down outside, and I realised, oh, that's my office. She was here for an interview. Duh. Hello there, and welcome to a behind-the-scenes thing. You've probably heard me mention Chimp, which is my production company that just made my show for Amazon. There's a lovely sign. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of our offices. One thing you need to be aware of, it's very quiet in here today. Hello. Not everybody is this ridiculously tall. I mean, he does money stuff, it's complicated. This is like the hub, the nerve center. Quite a lot of people are either in the edit because we're just in the process of delivering a show to Amazon, so they're away doing that, or with the current situation, they're working from home. Thankfully, we're in TV, so you can sort of hook up by video. It makes no difference. We do all like run the business from in here. This is where we have conferences. It is, in fact, well, it's a shed. I'm not gonna lie, it's a shed. We have big important meetings in here, so we're sitting here on video and we can talk to anybody and we can see them on the telly there. And even in here is a little voiceover booth. Every mod con. There's a kettle over there. Lots of people do lots of important work here. This is my desk. It's a little bigger than everybody else's. This is just some pictures we have here. Here's a chimp, you see, to tie in with our logo. This I stole from Drive Tribe. Ah, there it is. That is the actual plaque. It's beautiful. Have a look. Look, that is the real deal. That is the real thing. It's also mine now, because I'm going to go put it in my office because I think it would just look better on my wall. 1 million subscribers. There it is. Thank you, YouTube. I'm going to give that back to you guys. That's the 1 million subscribers from YouTube thing. I'm so sorry, Lucy. I stole that. So this is where I work. I'm not here very often, and when I am, I can't really do much of any use. And then we can go next door. Oh, before we go next door, there's another thing to show you. Hold on. This is a rendering of our Chimp logo, which was drawn for me by a guy called Jeff Swampy Marsh. Swampy is an animator of some repute. He's done some massive shows. Phineas and Ferb, that's one of his.
You all signed the waivers, right?
And he was over in London and agreed not only to design the logo, but to come and paint it on our wall for us. It inspires the team when they're at work. And then if we go next door, this until recently was an absolutely thriving, bustling hub. There were 30, 40 people in here. There aren't at the moment. It's a little quieter. This is where we planned, and don't look at anything secret on that wall. This is where we planned our show that we've made and in the process of editing for Amazon. And there's Kelly and Erica hiding at the back. Hello. They've braved the current climate to come into work to finish jobs that couldn't be done at home, but we'll be working from home from, I'm guessing, tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
From tomorrow, yep, that'll be it. Then this place will be delightfully empty, but still reassuringly expensive. So that's it, that is us at Chimp. I think there's another Chimp logo on that wall there. What is it about TV production companies that just attract crap? I mean, what, the amount, there's whole shelves full of, right, come here. So I was doing an engineering show, yeah, which meant going to a lot of engineering places, a lot of, buildings. And as a result, we are not a construction company, but see, our selection of hard hats. I mean, really? That's like a S&M hard hat. I mean, and ear defenders. Did we buy all this? These are all steel toe cap boots of every size. Yeah, we're not in the world of delicate TV here. This is for, workers. Don't look at that, that'll all be secret. Look away from there. So very soon we will all be back in here and it'll be bustling and noisy once more, but it's quite nice to enjoy the peace for a while whilst we deliver a truly astonishing show for you later this year.